Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here, and once again I've got a firearm that doesn't fit completely in the frame, so I'm going to adjust the cameras a little bit and take a look inside this awesome orange tube from Mossberg, so hang tight. Alright, so I've got the camera backed up about as far as I can go for my work stand here, and this is the big orange tube from Mossberg. It's the JIC tube, which is the just in case. This is a fully elements sealable tube that they originally put out for one of their pistol grip shotguns, but now they use it for the 590 Shockwave. So let's take a look and see what's inside the tube here. So like I said, this is completely able to be sealed up from the elements. So you've got this giant wing nut. Hopefully this isn't screen enough for you to see. Bear with me here. This guy comes off. Top of the tube comes off. And then you have this great rubber seal. So what happens with this, set this down. So when you put this in the tube and tighten the wing nut against it, it'll actually pull these two yellow cones together and make this rubber seal squeeze out against the tube, so giving you a waterproof, airtight seal if you need to bury this in the ground, or hide it for a zombie apocalypse, or just want to keep it well preserved. So that's what that tube is for, and the cap that goes on it. So, all right, so here's the tube again. We'll go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. Try to keep everything on frame for you. Gonna have a little bit of a trouble, I know that already, because it's a little too big for my setup. But inside the tube we've got some books and papers, gun lock, another bag, and inside that bag is the Mossberg M590 Shockwave. So it's a very, even though it doesn't quite fit completely into frame, you can tell it's a very short shotgun. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves, yes, it is a short shotgun, but it is classified by the ATF as any other weapon. It is not a short-barreled shotgun, and that's predominantly because of the grip on it. This is not a pistol grip, so it doesn't count as a pistol-style shotgun. So like I said, it's classified as any other weapon. And right in the packaging from Mossberg, you get this great documentation from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives that talks about the statutes where this is a legal firearm to buy over the counter for its shotgun. So, shotgun type receiver, bird's head grip in lieu of a shoulder stock, pump action 12 gauge, 14-inch smooth bore barrel, so it's not a rifled barrel or anything like that. Overall length exceeds 26 inches. So this is a firearm. You don't need a tax stamp or anything like that to buy it. Anybody can buy them. So, here you go, 26.5 inches with a 14 and 7/16 inch barrel. So, and having the bird's head grip instead of a pistol grip, 5-round capacity, weighs just over 5 pounds, so it's small, it's lightweight, it's ideal for home defense, or in my case, Jeep gun. This is a easy to carry, easy to pack. You can put it in a backpack, you can carry it in your car, carry it for those just in case moments, hence the JIC tube. But yeah, this is the Mossberg 590 Action that's in it. It is a 12 gauge. It will take 2 3/4. It'll take 3-inch. Smooth bore. It does have the gold bead sight in the front. There is provisions if you wanted to put a red dot on it or put a rail on it or anything here on top. Safety, of course. It is pump action. So, as you can see, it's clear, but it is a pump action shotgun. And honestly, with this bird's head grip, it is not unmanageable to shoot. A lot of people think, well, gosh, that thing's going to have a heck of a recoil. Well, I've got the 590A1 with a 20-inch barrel, full shoulder stock on it, and it's got a bit of a punch. You shoot some double-aught buckshot out of it, and you're going to feel it. Same thing with any shotgun. But the way this is designed, the curvature on it, the way it fits your hand. Let's see if I can show you with my right hand. It'll be upside down, but it's got a great shape for it that's very ergonomic. almost like it's an extension of a shoulder stock, the way that bird's head feels. So feels really good in the hand and does a great job with some of that shock absorption that you're going to need. You know, it doesn't have a rubber, shoulder pad on it or anything like that. So, you are going to be feeling it, but that's one of the reasons why Mossberg puts this handy nylon handguard for the front action and grip, so it's not going to pop out of your hands or anything like that. Like I said, it's got the 590 action, runs a 3-inch shell. I mean, this is a tried and true Mossberg shotgun through and through. They didn't change anything on it. This particular one has the corrosion resistant stainless finish on it. You can also get it in the full black coated version. I like this one. I love the silver and the black together. It looks amazing, feels great in my hand, and looks great in my Jeep for that matter. But like I was saying, this is Mossberg through and through. Mossberg's been putting out 12 gauge, their 500 series, their 590 series for years and years and years. They have a killer warranty, awesome customer service. Make no mistake, you're buying a quality firearm. This particular one just happens to be short, easy to carry, easy to pack, great for camping, hiking, home defense, anything like that. I'm totally looking forward to getting this one out to the range. So there will be a follow-up video to this with some range time. I'll take it up to Ted's shooting range and shoot it at the indoor range and really show what that recoil is going to feel like, both two-handed and you know what, I'll put a couple one-handed shots through, why not, just so you can see and kind of get an idea of what you'd be dealing with. Now, one other great thing that I know has just come out, you can get a pistol grip with a folding arm brace for it. So I know a lot of you have seen the shenanigans going on with the arm braces for, say, an AR style weapon where you can run a short barrel because it's technically a pistol, not a rifle. So it has an extension on it that's not designed to be a shoulder brace, it's designed to be a wrist brace that attaches right here. But this, with a pistol grip and a folding arm brace on it, makes it even more compact for packing and camping and hiking and home defense, whatever you need, wherever you need to keep it in a small, compact 12 gauge, 5-shot, great little Mossberg shotgun. So, I mean, it's pretty simple. It's pretty basic. It's a Mossberg 590. This is the Shockwave. So, it does have, you can do interchangeable foregrips. You can put the pistol grip with the folding wrist brace on it. Now, you can't put just a standalone pistol grip on this because the barrel is less than 18 inches. That requires a tax stamp. That puts you into a whole different category of breaking the rules with the ATF. So you can't put a pistol grip on it unless you're putting that arm brace on it also. So if you just want something simple and small, just leave the bird's head on there. But like I said, interchangeable parts, just make sure you're following the laws when you do it. I'm in no way associated with any sort of law enforcement or anything like that. I am not telling you what the laws are and are not. I'm simply telling you this does come with the ATF paperwork talking about what kind of weapon it is in its current form. So yeah, always check with your local rules and regs on it. But hey, if you get a chance, go out and shoot one of these. Go have some fun. If you like to camp and hike, or need a Jeep rig or a truck gun, or are looking for a reasonable sized like a home defense weapon, the Mossberg Shockwave is a great way to go. Beautiful setup. Love Mossberg, made in the USA, great warranty. These guys stand behind their stuff forever. So if you have an issue, you call them up, you talk to a human right here in the United States. Yeah, can't say enough good things about Mossberg. I've owned Mossberg shotguns forever. So it was one of my first firearms I ever owned was a Mossberg 500. But yeah, that's it. That's the 590 Shockwave. Like I said, go put your hands on one. It's an amazing feeling shotgun. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. Be more than willing to interact with you. And hey, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be putting out more videos. I usually try to do them once a week, sometimes twice a week. I know I've had a little bit of lull for the last couple weeks, but I'm here for you guys. So if you have any suggestions, comments, questions, concerns, leave them below. I'll get some good footage up at Ted's shooting range with this guy, and I'm going to put some links to that range in the comment section. So that's it. That's the Mossberg M590 Shockwave. Go check it out. That's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.